Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to check orders and mark them as fulfilled in your Wix e-commerce store. This is an essential part of managing your online business, ensuring your customers receive their products on time and keeping your order management organized. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Sales, which will expand to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down, click on Orders. This is your central hub for viewing and managing all customer orders placed through your Wix store. From here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all orders you've received from your Wix stores. Each order is displayed with important information in the header columns, making it easy to scan through and identify what needs attention. What you want to do now is locate any unfulfilled orders from this list and click on the specific order you need to process. This will open up the Unfulfilled Orders page with all the details for that particular transaction. Once you're viewing the order details, look for the More Actions button and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing this order. To mark this order as fulfilled, you can simply click on Mark as Fulfilled from the drop-down options. However, before you do that, it's important to add all the necessary details to ensure proper tracking and customer communication. You should click on Add Tracking Node to input the tracking number provided by your shipping carrier. This step is crucial because it allows your customers to monitor their package's journey and gives them peace of mind about their purchase. Once you've added the tracking information, you can proceed to start printing the shipping labels, which you'll need to attach to the package before sending it out. Once that's done, you'll want to handle the payment collection. You have the flexibility to collect payment by charging through a link or by sending an invoice, depending on what works best for your business workflow and customer preferences. After the payment has been processed and everything is settled on the financial side, you can also mark this order as paid within the system. This keeps your accounting accurate and your order status up to date. Before you finalize and mark an order as fulfilled, make sure to double-check that all the necessary details have been added, including the tracking number, payment status, and any customer notes. This attention to detail prevents confusion later and ensures a smooth fulfillment process for both you and your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.